Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panch Portal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. Welcome, beautiful souls, to another enlightening episode of Punch Portal, guiding you to focus on an attitude that is for your highest good. I'm Shashi Sethi, bringing you the cosmic guidance for the week of 2nd June to 9th June 2024. The overall reading for this week comes from the Chakra Box of Experience and Creation. It guides us to nurture our authentic self-expression, to experience every emotion like joy, happiness, well-being, even anger, because only then we will be able to master it. Be fluid and find your rhythm, for it is a seat of enjoyment and creation. So dance, music, even painting is recommended. The guidance related to health comes with an attribute of forgiveness towards self and others. Sometimes we are tough on our own self. This is the time to let go of all such perceptions which hinder our growth and keep us captive in the space of judgments. Accept yourself as you are. Forgive others if they have hurt you, for it weighs heavily on your own body. Shed the baggage of unforgiveness towards self and others and see how your health improves in manifold ways. Mokshpata guides us to be true to our own self, realize what is important for our own health, and not blindly follow any social patterns of how we should look and follow food choices of others and even fitness practices of people around us. We should establish our own truth through right knowledge about what is right for our body and follow practical ways like intermittent fasting, avoiding junk food, and following regular sleep patterns. We can also question if our sweet cravings are a result of some emotion or stress, and if we are indulging in drinking due to peer pressure or work-related stress. Going for walks, keeping your body in mind, active mode is the key to attaining good health. To sum it up, take time out to plan healthy diets suited to your own personal needs. Keep yourself active and go for walks, preferably close to nature. Forgive yourself and others. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer. Thank you.
Namaste. I Alpa once again with you on Punch Portal for the period of 3rd June to 9th June 2024 regarding relationships. This period sounds like you will be experiencing a lots of positive interactions and gestures in your relationships. This period is all about adding layers of warmth, affections and intimacy. It's time for weaving tapestry of scents that evokes memories, emotions and desires. You can plan to infuse your relationship with fragrance. It's time for open communication, time to be heard and understood, time to understand each other's perspective, feelings, and needs. Spend quality time together doing activities that you both enjoy. This helps to strengthen the bond between you. Be willing to compromise and find solutions that work for both the partners. It's a perfect time for lasting impressions you leave with your clients and society with professionalism, trust, and impact. It's a scent in the air. Your actions linger, shaping perceptions and opportunities. It's an appropriate time to embrace all the relationships from all the areas of your life. Thank you. Have a great week ahead.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Myself, Rupali, is going to tell you for the week 3rd to 9th of June, spirituality. Mokshpat tells us how the actions and consequences transcends individual lifetime as it influences both current and future existence. If you are curious to know about the repetitive patterns in life, explore the potential of the past life connections to the patterns, foster a deep understanding of the personal journey and how to move forward with greater awareness and purpose. You can go for a nature walk or you can do yoga. Karma is the old recordings that keep replaying in the direction that you wish. Be more generous. How people treat you is their karma, but how you react is yours. Life is a balance of holding and letting go. It is like a riding bicycle. To keep yourself balanced, you must keep moving. Go within. Step away from the chaos and give your mind calm and balance. Do the meditation. Be happy and stay connected. Namaste.
Hello, Namaste everyone. I am Lakshita. I am here today to share the business insights from the Mokshapatam board for the week of June 3rd to June 9th. This ancient wisdom offers valuable guidance for your business endeavors. It sounds like Mokshapatam board sees you as a driven and passionate person about to accelerate your business growth. But it also mentions the potential downside of getting caught up in a competition and comparison, which could hinder your progress. It's essential to balance ambition with the strategic force on your unique path to success. Sometimes, too much passion leads to anger and frustration. This week, you will have to balance passion with patience in business. Few points to keep in mind to have a remarkable and productive week. Make sure to manage your anger and assertiveness while motivating and guiding your team instead of criticizing them. Ensure everyone is on the same pace and working together effectively. Take time to strategize for your success while planning meticulously without rushing into things. Make sure to maintain a steady and focused passion and you will achieve extraordinary things. Thank you. Signing off for now. Stay tuned and stay connected.
Namaskar, my dear soul family. This is Maushmi here from Pune. I'm a naturopath, I'm a psychologist, I'm a healer. और आज मैं जो रीडिंग करने वाली हूँ ये रीडिंग है जून 3rd से लेके जून 9 तक और ये रीडिंग है ऑल अबाउट फाइनेंसेस. सो द बोर्ड इज गाइडिंग मी कि ये पूरा वीक जो है फाइनेंसेस के लिए एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा वीक है. इस पूरे वीक में एक्चुअली आप अगर अपने पर्सपेक्टिव को आप अगर अपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग को चेंज करें, अपने थॉट प्रोसेस को चेंज कर दें तो काफी सारे नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपके पास आ सकते हैं रिगार्डिंग योर फाइनेंसेस. लाइक अगर आपका थॉट प्रोसेस कहीं पे रुका हुआ था कि उन्हीं लोगों के साथ काम करना है तो यू कैन रिक्रूट सम न्यू पीपल. आप नए जॉब के लिए आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, आप इन्वेस्टमेंट नए तरीके से करना सोच सकते हो, नए नए डोर ढूंढ सकते हो जहाँ से आपके फाइनेंसेस का ग्रोथ हो. तो ये जो जितने भी पॉसिबिलिटीज है ये फाइनेंसेस को ग्रोथ लाने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है. मे बी यू हैव टू टेक सम new decisions, you have to recruit new people for your business अगर आपका business है. और the whole guidance is कि आप अगर आपका thought process सही रखो कि these are the things, these are the money that I want in this month तो या in this week, तो आप अभी से उसका जो blueprint है, जो plan है वो recreate कर सकते हैं so that आपको इस हफ्ते से वो seed डालनी पड़ेगी. और जैसा ही आपका thought process होगा, if it is like prosperity वाला thought process होगा तो आप prosperity प्रॉस्पेरिटी को अट्रैक्ट करोगे. अगर लैक वाले थॉट प्रोसेस होंगे तो लैक, बिकॉज इट इज टोटली डिपेंडिंग ओपन योर थॉट प्रोसेस दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू वांट टू create. So this whole week is very nice, very good energy create कर रहा है finances के लिए. तो have a happy prosperity week. Thank you so much.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.